Okay, so this is the Osmo Pocket 3 from DJI, and I'm going to open this. This is our brand new camera. It gets amazing reviews, as did the Pocket 2 that it replaces. So we take off this nice cellophane. Very popular item at the moment, selling out everywhere. It's usually quite a wait to get it delivered. And neatly cut this. And this. How do we get in without damaging anything? Okay. Ooh. Silica gel. I mean, it's a must, isn't it? That's the main bit. Then we have the safety guidelines in 26 million languages. And box of goodies here, I think, maybe. Oh, we have, what is this? Guarantee warranty, and a quick start guide. Excellent. We'll need that later on. And there's another piece of paper in here, which is a DJI recommended video editing app, Lightcut. Interesting. Okay, so let's keep that for the moment. What we got in the box: a big empty space. Hopefully there's not meant to be anything in there. Okay, this is the case by the looks of it. The pocket cover. Then we have an area that the wide angle lens goes in, and the black pro mist. I think there's meant to be a magnet thing that goes on there. And then we've got the bag of goodies. Okay. All nicely packaged up. Tag. Okay. And we have zippy doodah. Ooh, nice close fitting zip to keep out dirt and rubbish and maybe moisture and rain. Okay, so it's sitting in there. So we have the DJI 2 mic, which is pretty tiny. It's got a USB adapter there. Lots of interesting bits there. I've got possibly the battery bit. We've got This, I have no idea what it is. What is this? This is interesting. Okay, I've got a lot to learn about this thing. And this, which is the little mini tripod-y thing. That's rather nice. That's got the thread that goes in it. And this we thought would probably be the battery, extra battery. So again, a recharging point there. This can also go onto the bottom of the camera in the same way. And we've got USB-C charging lead. Very nice. We've got this, which I think is the magnet. So this is a little DJI magnet. I think that goes in there, and then that can be used to hold the mic on. So that will go either side of her. God, that is strong. Either side of like a collar or something, t-shirt, border suit. Got a little lanyard, a little fluffy do for the mic, cut down on the wind, and this must be the wide angle lens. Very, very nice. So this also is magnetic onto there and then magnetic onto the front of the camera. Is there any other goodies before we get the main bit out? Nope. And then we have, oh, it's got a nice weight to it. Then we've got the Pocket 3. Okay. Now I've got some storage again on this phone. I can take a picture of this camera. So, yeah, we said this was the tripod-y thing. So that clicks on there with a release button there. And then there's also the extra battery that you can plug in there. Like that. Oh, and it's blinking up. There's no screw thread in there, so you have to use that unless you want the battery. I'm not sure what extra functionality that gives you other than the presumably charging point for this. And you've got this 2-inch rotating screen that you can use, 3D controller on-off button here. I think that's a little microphone there. One on the back. Nice textured finish here. And then you've got all the gimbal system and the camera, that all the actual image sensor that sits there, protected by this when it's in park position. So I guess we can take this off. And this rotates. And it's got a very nice, presumably OLED display.